Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. So in today's video we'll see how fast and how quick we can charge these two power banks with this 65 watt UGREEN plug adapter. 65 watt I think is enough, so we'll see how quick we can charge. Let's start with the smallest power bank on the market, which is the INIU. We have 100 watt power here, and this is apparently the smallest power bank on the market. We have two Type-C ports and a Type-A port. As you can see here, we have a Type-C port with a computer, so we can charge our computer with this power bank. This is amazing. Like I mentioned, smallest power bank on the market. We have a display which can show you your remaining battery, which is so cool, as you can see. Second power bank is from this company, I don't know if I pronounce it right, VEGER. We have a 30,000 milliamp power. This thing is huge, as you can see. If you compare both power banks, I mean, yeah, this is nice. We have Type-C port with a micro USB and three Type-A ports. Also, we have a display to show you your remaining status of your battery. So this is so cool. We have a 100 watt high-speed cable, which actually came with the power bank. So we're gonna test the speed of this 65 watt brick. We'll see how fast we can charge these two power banks. Let's start with the smallest power bank, which is the INIU, and then we'll switch to the 30,000 milliamp power. Let's start with the INIU with the 25,000 milliamp power bank. So let's plug this and let's start our timer. And as you can see, everything is plugged in, and we'll see how fast we can charge now. This was a very interesting test. Very surprised that this brick did very well by this company, UGREEN, 65 watt. Very impressed. And I'm impressed because this huge 30,000 milliamp power bank did very nice. So we managed to charge it for 7 hours and 40 minutes, which I think is quite a lot. But if you think about it, this power bank is huge. It's 30,000 milliamp power. So my advice is, if you want to use it, make sure to plug it night before you go to the bed, and in the morning this power bank will be ready for use, but only if you use a fast charger plug adapter. So 65 watt, not bad at all. Very, very impressed. Now the INIU 25,000 milliamp power, I think it's P63 if I'm not wrong, the model. All the stuff that I'm talking in today's video showing is going to be in the descriptions down below, so make sure to check that if you want to purchase them. But yeah, this thing is impressive as well. So we managed to charge this power bank for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Amazing, amazing. Like I mentioned, the comparison is just crazy, but again, this is 30,000, 25,000 milliamp power. So there we have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.